good news for content creator. As a content creator, this video is best for you. Take your time and watch the video to the end, because this video is going to teach you everything you need to know and everything you need right now in order to be boosting your content and what to be posting. Because I have noticed that there are so many people which you don't know how they have run out of content this period. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how to use ChatGPT to what? To create a content, a legitimate content. Content is ChatGPT that generate the idea, and it isn't ChatGPT that what creates the content for you. Your own is to what? Post it. You get now? And ways to do it is very easy to do and very waste time. This is how it works, and this is how you are going to do it. Now let's see. Chat with ChatGPT like normal human being. Just ask him that. Okay, just ask him. This is what I'm saying. Let's give an example of it. And then creator, and I have run out of content. When you type this, you can drop your niche to it so that you will know exactly the kind of video to suggest for you and know the kind of video that it will do for you. Okay, now I'm a content creator and my niche is I post normal funny text, fake quotes, or fake motivation, just content for me. Let's see what it will generate, because it will generate a content. Okay, now let's see what you have here. You really already had ahead because you notice the problem. You see, now most creators are posting fake motivation, recycle relationship quotes, nobody supports me, post fake cross life first, and so many things like what people normally do, and how some content creators which have the idea already have already what going in it now. Nigerian logic series, act like different characters yourself. This is idea that ChatGPT suggests for you. And now, if you are okay with this, you can start using it. And if you're not okay with this, you can what? Reprompt it again to get what you are looking for, or to generate something similar to what the kind of content you want to be doing and the kind of content you are doing. Now, this is another best way to do it. Okay, now I need funny mad text, mad text, funny mad text. Okay, now, all right. My problem is not money again. I need answer. Why is toothpaste always finished when life is hard? I enter supermarket with confidence. Price tag humble me spiritually. Now, let me show you another way. Now, you know that you can turn this into image. All it says can turn it to image. There is a way you can do it. Okay, now let's give a try of it. Let's try turning this one to image. Some people are not avoiding relationship. Data subscription is a what real issue. And see so many people, so many ones, and let's turn this to text and see. Now you open new what? New chat again. New chat. Okay. You have pasted it. I pasted it. What I screenshot. Now a funny reaction with the text above. Okay, now there's a legit way you can prompt it to do it, but let's do it this way first and see what it will generate for us. Now, you know, this is image. Image takes some time to do. Great idea. Okay. All right. You can see this like realistic image. Is generate a realistic image. You can prompt it this way. I want it to what? Write the text on it, on this image. I want the text to be on the image with a design text. Let me do it this way. Okay, let's watch this and see what we have here, if we will get exactly what we are looking for. And now since it's generating the image, I'll come back here. Now you can see there are so many words, so many text here, and guess what? ChatGPT, is an AI. It can keep generating. different one and multiple ones which you like and something you pick. And if all these ones you if you don't like any of all these ones, you can ask it to change the niche. Then it will generate it based on the niche. And you can also, if you have a niche, you can also drop your niche and it will be working based on it. Now, if you are there are some text and some things I have generated there. Let me show you some of my previous work. You like it. All right. Let me see. There are some of my previous work, which is funny, previous, funny text which I've generated. Alright, this is it. This is what I put. If my relationship lasts this year, na miracle. Design with a lady outside with funny dramatic reaction. Now, in this chat, I have hooked my image with ChatGPT already. It has already hooked my image already. When I drop any text, it will automatically generate it with my image. Then anything that I want it to add it to it, that's what I'll mention. Then it's now what add it to the what to the image and generate it. Okay, this is what I post and this is what it added. This is how I design what? If my relationship say I design, say another one. Couples are posting memories. I am posting memes. Design in a public couples together playing. Then me sitting in corner pressing phone. A very brighter what environment. Guess what? This is what I have. This image generates. This is my image. I don't need to tell and say use my image or use anything again because you already know my image and I've already hooked my image. This is another one. My type is peace of mind with what? Good Wi-Fi. Outside in cloud people with what? So many reaction. Me standing and looking at them. You see? When I say me, you know what to do this already. Now, love made me weak, but bank alert finished the job. Me with my girlfriend outside with a little distance between us with foam people around us. It means everybody will have fun and people will be around us. See people will be around us with fun. Everybody are doing their thing. The same thing, the same thing, the same thing. You're really a human version of low battery. This is the way you can generate it. Because if you check my WhatsApp, all these texts I normally post them on Facebook. If you check my Facebook handle, you see all these texts there. They are there in different reaction, in different design. Like this is the clothes I'm using for my content when I'm creating content. This is the clothes I normally used. When you go to Facebook and TikTok, this is the clothes I use. And my name remain the same, Matt Nova AI. I always the same name. You can always check me out and get a legit update. You can see now. Let's check our image. Let's check what ChatGPT generate for us if it has generated the image. Okay. Now the image is ready. Let me view it and see. Let me view it and let's see what we have here. If it is something tangible or if it's something motivating. Network is poor. I'm using Glow network is very poor today. It's very poor today. Since the 3 days ago, now Glow is very poor. Even NHS started yesterday. I'm having bad network. Um. Uh. Okay. I'm trying to view what we have here, but it's not opening. Yeah, it's not opening. So it's not opening. But and this is the way you do it. And when you do this, it will hook and like from a okay now you can see it since it has already generated this image. Definitely what it can what put the text and design it the way my own is. Now this is my own and I have hook I have ChatGPT on how to go about my content already. So when I post it, like look at this last one that I generated yesterday. When one door closes, check if it is not your landlord designed for this. I'm like I don't need to explain again. Just design for this. And this is what it designed. Because when I drop the text in the like in this particular chat, when I drop any text, it will automatically generate image for it already. I don't in this when I'm chat, I want to chat or any text or any different thing aside the image. I don't open this chat. This chat is meant for what image. There's some now let me show you another. All this idea that I'm posting, how did I get it? And this is another way. Let me show you another chat again. Content idea creation. Okay, this is this one. No, not this one. This is one you just open. Okay. Let me see. Where are funny content ideas? Funny content what? Ideas. Take a look at this. Now, it categorized my own. So I normally generate my own. Extreme savage. So some people prove that free will go a mistake. You really know ugly. You really know what ugly. Just sponsored by what? Bad decision. I have generated image for all these ones. I have posted it. Girlfriend, boyfriend, cruise. I have generated all these ones, posted it. Fake deep quote. I have generated all these ones. I've posted it. Like Nigerian parents, this is where I am currently. This one, my African mother can cure depression with shouting. You will be sleeping peacefully, then here, so you cannot greet. This is the next step I'm going to generate the image from, and like I say, from tomorrow, if the network is okay, from tomorrow I'll start creating it and posting it. You can what generate the content with ChatGPT. I can never run out of text. Me personally, I can never run out of text as far as ChatGPT is existing. If ChatGPT cannot do the work, DeepSeek is there to do the work. So as a content creator, you don't there's no excuse for it. I run out of run out of content. Let me show you. There's another one video that it was suggesting for me. Let me check if I can see that one. If I can see that one. Video. What's that conversation? Sorry, I'm thinking of what's that conversation. No, this is not it. Good not running. If you check it, there are so many shots with ChatGPT because everything, any step I want to, anything I want to do, I always want have different shots because it's when you're having the same shots with AI, that's when AI will be mixing things up for you. But creating, having different shots with AI, it's I can't find it anymore. So this is the legit way that you can always generate your content, and you can always generate your, like with ChatGPT can generate content. There is a legit video that it analyzed for me on how